Yesterday was a great day. I woke up at 9 a.m. and realized I didn't have much food at home. So I decided to go grocery shopping. I looked for some reusable bags to take because they cost 10p here. Before I left, I made a list of all the food I needed. I got a trolley instead of a basket because I had to buy a lot of things. I picked up some fresh vegetables, fruits, and some basics like pasta and rice. I also bought some bread, milk, and some snacks for the evening. While I was shopping, I remembered that I needed to get some tea bags too. After I had got everything, I headed to the checkout. I paid and then I loaded my bags into the car. On my way home, I drove past the pub and saw one of my friends there. I thought about making a stop at the pub for a drink. But I had frozen food in the boot. When I got home, I put away the shopping. Then I called my friend. My friend said she was going to be there for another hour. So I said I'd be there soon. The pub wasn't too crowded, which was a nice change. I sat on the bench outside and ordered a drink at the bar. I enjoyed the atmosphere. Just relaxing with my friend after the shopping. We ended up staying at the pub for a little longer than planned. After finishing 2 drinks, I decided it was time to go back home. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.